In this video, we're going to cover the 7 most mind-blowing use cases for the new Vision API that just came out from OpenAI. So if you're a developer looking for some ideas on how to use this new technology, this is the video for you. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first example that blew my mind comes from Vlad, who used the Vision API to control his computer. Let me show you what I mean. What he has is his Gmail pulled up and someone's asking him a question of, hey, how many requests per day are we allowing according to our latest EULA? And then what he's going to do is use his bot and give it some instructions. Hey, find me the PDF on my computer that answers this question and reply to this letter. And what's going to happen is the Vision API is going to go off, take screenshots of his computer and control it, find the answer, and then respond in an email just like he asked. I thought this was an amazing example of how powerful this technology was. And I do want to mention before we go off to the other examples, I'm going to be attaching all of the examples shown in today's video down in the description below so that you can go and experiment with them as well. All right, on to the next video. So this next example is unreal. Gonzalo is using the Vision API plus the text-to-speech to create an AI sports narrator. Let's go ahead and listen in just so you can see how crazy good this stuff is.
Can you believe this? He's taken on the whole defense. He's a one-man show, ladies and gentlemen. He shoots. Goal! Messi, Messi, Messi!
So there needs to be a little bit more work done on that narrator at the end. It sounds like he had a hard cough. But what's crazy is how this is working is it's chopping up a video into every frame, passing those frames over to the Vision API so it can understand what's going on, and then it's generating a script that's being read out loud by this text-to-speech. So I thought this was crazy. But let's go ahead and look at the next one. So for this example, Peter created a League of Legends commentator using the Vision API and text-to-speech library, and the results are crazy. Not only is it commenting the game, but it also understands what's happening on the screen and in the minimap. Let me go ahead and show you this video in action.
Can LNG find a pick, or will T1 extend their lead? The next move could be pivotal. And as the action unfolds on the top lane, we see LNG's Zeka cautiously holding back, aware of T1's Zeus, who has just disappeared into that river brush.
So I don't know if you heard it there at the end, but it also mentioned that this was going on in the top lane and the fact that one of the characters disappeared into the brush from the minimap. So I think that is crazy. Let's go ahead and move on to the next example. So in the next example, Marcel built a Roast My Website app that takes a screenshot of your website, uses the Vision API to analyze it, generate a roast, and then from there it uses the text-to-speech API to say the roast to your face. Let's go ahead and listen to it out loud.
The React website, where every load feels like Christmas morning because you never know which bundle of joy you're getting. Will it be a components list or a surprise deprecation?
So as you can see, some dry, nerdy humor right there, but I think this is crazy that it understands what's going on the website and then can actually make funny, witty jokes about it. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So this is by far the funniest example out of all of them so far. Basically what Kartik built was a website that will roast your outfit. So let me go ahead and show you this in action. Basically what you do, come in here, upload a picture of a person, and then it gets scanned by the Vision API, and then it generates a roast. So this one doesn't have text to speech, but it's honestly brutal what it says. If you can see in here, it says his outfit, SBF's outfit looks like, I rated the lost and found, and it also says that it looks like he's starting the trend, help, I dressed in the dark. So oof, what a roast, but honestly well deserved for this guy. So this was the funniest. On to the next one. So in this example, Michael built something that's super practical. Basically what he built is an app that generates a listing for real estate agents. All you do is provide some text about the real estate that you're trying to list and then upload a picture of it. And then from there, what it'll do is go off and generate a welcome message that you can then post on Zillow or Realtor.com or any other website to help sell the house. So you can see it takes a second or two, but then from there, it generates an awesome real estate listing. If you just zoom in, you can see this sounds like something that you would see right on one of those sites, and this would probably take real estate agents up to 20-30 minutes to make, and now it takes just a few seconds. So Michael made something super practical. So for the final example, Sahir built an amazing website called 8BitMe, and basically what it does is it uses the Vision API to take a picture of someone and understand who's in the picture, and then it uses the DALL-E 3 API to generate a more character version of the person in 8-bit styles. And if you actually head over to his website, he actually has 3 different styles that you can make your person. You can do medieval, cyberpunk, or sports, and I think they all look awesome. I tried it myself and it looks great. So I think more of you entrepreneur-driven developers out there would really like to do something like this. I'm surprised he's not charging you to make these images. If you actually head back over to his website, it's completely free to generate your 8-bit version. So I totally recommend trying it out. Once again, a link to him will be down in the description below, and go ahead and drop a heart once you get over there and check out his post. And that's a wrap for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it and hope your mind was blown just like mine was. You'll have to drop a comment down below with your favorite example. And if you're a developer and you want to learn a little bit more how to use the Vision API, I actually just released a tutorial the other day which shows you how to build a simple one-page website that uses the Vision API so you can interact with images and chat with them. So go ahead and check that on my channel, and there's a bunch of other full stack tutorials over there. But with that, it's a wrap, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.